The skin the cat exercise requires a lot of strength and mobility to execute, especially on the shoulders. It requires a lot from your tendons and joints, so make sure to take it one step at a time and rest in between sets. You can either do the exercise from a bar or rings. The bar can be more difficult because the bar can be in the way if you don't bend a lot from your hips or knees. I suggest starting with the rings, as you don't have to think a lot about getting past the bar, and your wrist can have an easier movement because the rings can turn whereas the bar cannot. Hanging is a fundamental part of the exercise, so make sure that you can hang for at least 10 seconds to have a good grip strength. We wouldn't want to fall due to the lack of grip strength while being upside down. Next, we are working on our strength to lift our legs until you can curl your knees all the way up to your chest. Then we want to lean back and push the bar downwards until the knees and the feet pass the bar. Slowly lower your body towards the ground as low as you feel comfortable doing. You can work your way weakly, getting further and further down. Then press yourself with your arms and curl your back, unfolding yourself back to the start position. If you aren't sure you have the strength to go back up, then find a lower bar or rings and do the exercise there. Then if you have to let go, your legs will be right above the ground or just a small jump from the ground. To challenge yourself more, you can try to extend your knees and keep them there throughout the movement. Having your legs straight the entire way is even more challenging, as you will go into a front lever and back lever. Here's how the back lever looks. If you got something from this video, please press the like button as it pushes it out to even more people who want to learn Skin the Cat. Comment the fire emoji if you're gonna learn this exercise, and subscribe for more guides and more ways to stay strong. See you in the next one.